Welcome. As Q2 Tiny House Company, today we will show you step by step how to set up the Q2-K1 Demountable Container. Dimensions of the container when disassembled is 3 meters wide, 7 meters long and 40 cm high. To unpack, the side corner fasteners are removed. The upper chassis is lifted and opened with the help of a crane. When the package is opened, all the ingredients in the container are found together. Materials are placed in empty spaces in an orderly manner. The 4 corner posts are mounted by screwing them to the corners of the subframe. Corner posts are aligned and combined with the upper chassis slots. As a starting point for the rear facade, the 4 cm thick EPS filled facade panels are mounted sequentially. After the 3 facade panels are placed and the doors and windows are installed on the front facade, the panel assembly is completed. Two support poles are mounted on the front and back side of the 7-meter sections. Door handle and lock are installed. Panel and chassis junctions are insulated by using silicone. A specially prepared electrical cable channel is placed in the upper area. Electrical and lighting installations are installed indoors. Once the lighting switch and sockets are installed, the installation is completed. Thus, the Q2-K1 model demountable container is ready for use.